By 2026, 90% of online content could be generated by AI, which basically means soon, most of what you see online may not come from a human at all. Comforting, right? Today, we're diving into how generative AI became so powerful, how it's deceiving people, how it's trained using our photos and artists' work without permission, and how this might push the entire internet toward a collapse of trust. Fun times! Let's start with how this technology even works. Generative AI models learn from absolutely massive datasets. And when I say massive, I mean the Lion 5B dataset alone includes about 5.8 billion images scrapped directly from the internet. No permission emails, no disclaimers, no, hey, mind if we blur your face? They are just collected. Thanks to diffusion models, transformer architectures, and a lot of graphics processing unit, also known as GPUs, overheating somewhere in a warehouse, your laptop can now generate a fake Hollywood scene faster than you can heat up your pizza. Progress, right? But creating realistic content is only half the story. The real plot twist is what the internet does with it. AI-generated photos and videos are everywhere. We have AI influencers like Lil Miquela getting real brand deals. And the Federal Trade Commission reported a 300% spike in deepfake-related scams in just 1 year. Voice clones, fake video calls, impersonation, all becoming normal. And here's the part that hurts a little. People are surprisingly easy to fool. Researchers at MIT Media Lab found that humans misidentify deepfakes more than 35% of the time. Basically, we're tossing a coin and hoping for the best. Even worse, a study published by researchers at the University of Washington, Cornell, and UC Berkeley found that AI-generated faces were rated as more trustworthy than real human faces. So the fake people are prettier and more likable. Great. There is a real example of this. A mother received a phone call from someone who sounded exactly like her daughter, sobbing, panicking, begging for help. It wasn't her daughter. It was an AI voice clone using audio taken from a short social media clip. That's all the scammer needed, 10 seconds of audio. And this leads us to the biggest secret behind AI, how it's actually trained. Most AI companies did not ask for permission to use our photos, our voices, or original artwork. The Lion dataset scrapped billions of images from artists, photographers, and everyday users without explicit consent. More than 16,000 artists have already signed petitions claiming their copyrighted work was used to train AI systems without permission. Even some apps that ask for gallery access have been found to quietly store images to improve their models, even after you delete them. But hey, who needs privacy when we can have AI-generated avocado chairs in 4K? And here's where everything connects. When ultra-realistic AI content, misinformation, stolen artwork, and identity scams collide, trust breaks. And the internet runs on trust. If people can't trust photos, can't trust videos, can't trust voices, then the foundation of the internet starts to crack. Artists might stop uploading their work because AI models copy it instantly. YouTubers could be replaced by AI versions of themselves, trained on their own videos. Viewers might assume everything is fake, even when it's real. And social platforms could collapse under misinformation and synthetic content. But surprisingly, there is a silver lining. When people stop trusting the internet, they might start turning back to real life. Imagine that. Real conversations, real interaction, actual sunlight, and touching grass. If generative AI ends up breaking the internet, maybe that pushes us towards something more human. But the big question is, will we learn to live with it responsibly, or will it reshape the internet into a place where nothing can be trusted anymore? Until next time, stay curious.